American style pancakes are made from just a few ingredients, and yet the result is a delicious, fluffy pancakes. I'm Chef Wainaina. Welcome to my channel, and let's make these pancakes. For the pancakes, you need 2.5 cups flour, 1/3 cup sugar. I have some baking powder here. This is 1 tablespoon. A teaspoon of baking soda, some melted butter, 1/3 cup. I will use some vanilla extract, and I have 2 eggs that I'm going to crack. I also have a pinch of salt. So first, I'm going to combine all the dry ingredients: baking powder, baking soda, sugar, and a pinch of salt. Combine all these together, put it aside. Next, break 2 eggs into a bowl. Beat the eggs with a whisk. Add 1.5 cups milk. Add melted butter, 1/3 cup. To this mixture, add like a teaspoon of vanilla, and then with a whisk just bring this all together. Bring back your dry ingredients, then add your wet ingredients into the dry. The key here is to combine these, but don't overmix it. Overmixing will give you a tough batter. So you want to mix this with a spatula, just folding. This is one of the batters where lumps are a good thing. Pancakes are an American breakfast mainstay. I will leave this batter to rest for about 10-15 minutes. As our batter rests, I'm going to heat a cast iron skillet. Once the pan is hot enough, on low medium, add some butter. Then using an ice cream scoop, pour the butter onto your skillet. This butter, you don't need to spread it for this kind of pancakes. They will just spread by themselves. Just let cook on that side for about 2 minutes. Once they start bubbling, that's an indication that they are ready to flake. Our pancakes are nicely bubbled, and it's time to flip them with a spatula. At the bottom, flip it nice, beautiful golden color. Give the other side another 2 minutes, and our pancakes are done. You can already notice the flapping right on top here. That is because of the baking powder and the baking soda acting, releasing the carbon dioxide, which causes the fluffiness. It's been 2 minutes. Our pancake is definitely done. Take it out onto a plate. I will give our pan a wipe here, a touch of butter here. Put it in, leave it alone. Our second pancake here is all done. Take it out. I'll finish up the rest. So as always, guys, thank you so much for watching. It's always appreciated. If it's your first time here today, please remember to subscribe to my channel. Our beautiful, fluffy, delicious American style pancakes are ready. Time to finish them up. Add some butter. Always American classic. Maple syrup. Drizzle them with the maple syrup. Look at that. That's an American breakfast mainstay. It's time to cut into our beautiful pancakes here, fluffy, delicious pancakes, and see how we did. That's delicious, very fluffy, very tasty, very nicely balanced. So there you have it, a very simple American style pancake that you can do in your own kitchen. They are delicious and they are easy to do. Thank you so much for watching. As always, I will see you next week. Just remember to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you. Adios.